Hello and welcome back to Crochet Much. Today we are going to make a square starting from a circle. So you can say it is a circle to square. Okay, let us begin. So let us begin start making the circle first. So we will start by making a magic circle just like this. The short end of the yarn is below and the long tail is on top of it. Then insert the hook. Make one chain, so it is in place, and we are going to make uh, half double crochet. So the first chain is considered as the first half double crochet. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. We made 7 half double crochet, including the first chain 1. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 half double crochet, so we can tighten the ring, then slip stitch on top of the first chain 1. Okay, that is round 1. In the second round we will make chain 1 and one more half double crochet in the same space, then 2 half double crochet in each of the stitches. 2, then 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. We have 1 2. How many half double crochets? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15 and 16. Slip stitch to the top of the chain 1, then we can cut the yarn. Now we take our next color. I'm going to use the red. We are going to attach the yarn in any chain, no, any stitch. So just slip stitch. Now we are going to start using the double crochet. So I put chain 2, then I'm going to make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, then chain 1, 1 2 and 3 double crochet. It's all happened in the same half double crochet. Then we skip the next uh, chain, next stitch, next half double crochet. In the next half double crochet we make 1 half double crochet, then we skip 1, then the next one we make 1 2 3 double crochet, chain 1, and in the same place make 3 more double crochet, 2 3, then skip the next stitch. In the next stitch we make 1 half double crochet, then skip the next stitch, go to the next one and make 3 double crochet, in the same space chain 1 and make 3 more double crochet. 1 2 3. Then skip the next one, go to the next one, make 1 half double crochet, skip the next stitch, go to the next one and make 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 more double crochet. 3. Then skip the next one. In the next one we make 1 half double crochet, then skip the next one and you join the top 3 of the first 3 chains. That round is complete. Now we slip stitch to reach the chain 1 space. And chain 2, make 2 more double crochet there. Then you move to the half double crochet we made. Let's see, hope you can see this space here, not in between the spaces, it's right into the half double crochet. We are going to make double crochet, 3 double crochet in there. Now we go to the chain 1 space and make 1 2 3 chain 1 and 1 2 3. Move to the half double crochet space and make 3 double crochet. We are making it on the leg of the half double crochet. Then move to the next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. Then here make 3 more double crochet. Into the next chain space we make 3 double crochet and chain 1 and 3 more double crochet. There is one more half double crochet here, so we go into the leg of the half double crochet and make a 3 double crochet there. 1 2 3. Here we made only chain 2 and 3 double crochet, so going to the corner and making 3 more double crochet. And chain 1 and slip stitch at the top of the chain 3. That's how we make it. This is a different form of a granny square. We can take the yarn tails and cut it. Okay. So this is a different form of a granny square. In the beginning we started with a circle, then we made it into a square. I'm going to write the pattern in my blog, so you can visit crochetsmash.com to see the written pattern. And I might make a PDF pattern as a downloadable version. So see you next time with a new pattern. So if you like it, please remember to comment and share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye now.